Hello and welcome to Living Legacies with LaVeta.com. Again, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. And tip number 2 is understanding life insurance. Today, people have all kinds of protection. They insure their houses, their cars, their phones, their appliances. They even buy travel insurance for their vacations. But when it comes to life insurance, people remain skeptical. The most important insurance that protects their family and their children is not taken seriously. Life insurance isn't a fun topic, but it's a critical part of your financial strategy. People don't even want to talk about it, but it's so important to talk about it because there's permanent and there's term. So there's so many different types of insurance policies. What type of policy do you have? Please come and talk to me and let's sit down and find your financial strategy. What type of insurance do you have? Look me up on Living Legacies with LaVeta Logan.com. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.